I was recently asked the question, what gives me energy? It was a question that I wasn't expecting at the time, but after a brief pause, my mind went instantly to people, groups of people. People that are like-hearted. Whether I know them already or I'm meeting them for the first time, they possess the same energy and spirit that I like to put out into the world. Since I can remember, I've been fortunate enough to meet friends that just match my vibe. Part of that is me putting my best self into each day, and the other part has been taking chances on my future. Some of the best connections I have with people is because I moved to a new country or started my business. Without taking these chances on my life's direction, I never would have encountered such encouraging people. And to my OG friends, I cherish what we have too. So thank you to the people who bring me up, pump my tires if you will. We all need a friend that inspires in life, and you're all a big reason why I'm continuing to grow and reach new levels of success. P.S. If you're needing a motivational lift, I'm just a message away and always down to repay the favor. Good people know good people. It's all love.